All right, so corn's off to a stronger start this morning. We have weaker US dollar, still have solid export sales, and fresh optimism around trade talks with Japan, Taiwan, and South Korea, helping, prices firm up a bit here. You have President Trump says there's been huge progress with Japan and, could be the first major trade deal announced. On top of that, you have heavy rains in the south central Midwest are slowing planting, and that there's more on the way. That could put us behind pace soon, especially if the eastern corn belt is lagging there. Meanwhile, funds have traders bought nearly 71,000 contracts last week, and the technical picture points to more upside ahead if we can break through last week's high and get to some fresh farmer offers there in the market. I know that I was hearing some people were looking to get some hedges on this pop too as well, this AM pop. Beans are also catching a bid too. Demand surprised to the upside last week with the USTR walked back some of its proposed port fees on China. So despite tariffs, U.S. beans are still moving with the dollar falling to its lowest level since 2022. U.S. prices even so that's helping U.S. prices look even more competitive, even with the tariffs. Mexico's actually led the way last week's export sales, not China, on beans. And Japan is rumored to be increasing U.S. purchases as the deal gets closer. Meanwhile, managed money flipped net short to net long in beans. And technically, if July beans can hold above last week's high, we could be looking for more upside. So this is some levels that we're going to be watching this week closely. And, wheat. It's quietly firming this morning. Weekend rains missed most of the driest parts of the HRW belt, but you have more moisture as expected this week. SRW states are already dealing with too much rain. Globally, grain stocks are near a 10-year low, and peace talks between Russia and Ukraine don't seem to be going anywhere. So China's wheat imports were down 89% year over year in March, shifting demand to non-U.S. origins. Fund traders are sitting on nearly 100,000 contracts next short, and until we break through, this month's high, wheat's just, may just stay chopping. That's just, your quick little Monday morning market check. Stay tuned and keep following for more action.